Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you stabilize shaky video in Premiere Pro. So guys, to do this, as you can see, I have selected a video, that is shaky, and after that, just go to effects. As you can see, effects. Your effects may be here or there. It is matter to you, and just search here warp stabilizer. As you can see, warp stabilizer, this effect, just drag it and drop it in this clip, and after that it make a few moments to analyze the whole clip. As you can see, it is taking about 30 seconds for me. You need to wait for a few seconds, and here you can see it is stabilizing. You can change this smoothness if you want. You can also change this framing to stabilize, crop, and auto scale. You can change this stabilize, position, scale, rotation. You can make it smooth motion if it is on no motion. You can make it 100% smoothness, and after that just check the video. It will be less shaky if it was shaky before. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.